When I'm busy, I always fall back on this delicious, healthy, and incredibly easy meal that only requires a few cans of ingredients, a pound of ground beef, an onion, and a package of taco seasoning. It carries me through exams, cold winter days, and days where I could not convince myself to go grocery shopping. For this taco soup, we are going to be using 1 pound of ground beef, 1 diced onion, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cans of beans, 1 can of corn, and 1 package of taco seasoning. We use low or no sodium ingredients for this taco soup recipe, and you can do that for a lot of your recipes. You can see here that it says no salt added. Common things that are found in low or no sodium options include canned goods, broths, and seasoning packages. So when you're making your meals, see if you can find those to make them a little bit healthier. To start the recipe, I'm going to dice this onion, and then I'm going to add it to a pot over medium-high heat with a little bit of oil and the ground beef. I always feel great when I eat this taco soup because of all the fiber from the beans and vegetables, the protein from the beef and the beans, and the variety of vitamins and minerals from all of the ingredients. Now I'm going to cook this safely by making sure that it is completely brown and that you can't see any pink when I'm done. Then we're going to move on to the second and final step. Yes, second and final step. It's so easy. We're going to add all these cans and the taco seasoning to the pot and cook it over medium heat. I find that the recipe for the soup is just a little bit thick for my taste, so I just add a little bit of water, and you guys can do the same if you want it to be a little bit thinner. Once the soup reaches a boil, we're going to turn it down to low heat and let it simmer for 10 minutes. At this point, you can top your soup with whatever you want. You could use jalapenos, cilantro, avocado, sour cream, cheese, tortilla chips, lime. The list is endless. Generally, I like to use ingredients that I would put on my tacos. So here you can see I used cheese, tortilla chips, cilantro, and I'm just going to give this a squeeze of lime. And that's it. All right, my soup is done and I'm so excited to eat this bowl. I already know it's delicious because I tasted it while it was cooking. Of course, it smells so good. I couldn't resist. I hope you guys enjoy this soup as much as I do and enjoy how easy it is to make.